Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Imovie and creating a new movie so you can work immediately. Import your clips and assets now, because organizing media upfront speeds editing. Once done, choose your aspect ratio, 16, 9 for landscape, 9, 16 for vertical, and understand why. Matching output to platform prevents recropping later. Make sure to use the library sidebar to group clips. This keeps pacing and continuity obvious as you add tracks and trims. You now focus on the detailed middle work, trimming and arranging clips on the timeline with intention. Use the JKL keys to preview and the precision editor for frame-accurate cuts, because tight edits keep viewer attention. Add B-roll above the main clip to cover jumps and apply stabilization or color balance to unify footage. Once finished with cuts, layer audio, duck background music, and watch transitions to ensure visual flow. These choices define rhythm and clarity. You finish by exporting correctly and verifying the final file. Use Share File and pick resolution and quality. Choose Fast Start for streaming delivery and make sure frame rate matches your source. After export, play the file end-to-end to confirm audio sync and framing. If something goes wrong, clear iMovie's render cache, update Mac OS and iMovie, or export a short test clip to isolate the issue. These steps usually resolve mismatched codecs or corrupt renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.